Got the final kill cam. We were up 3-2. As you can see, we're up 3-2. They're hosts. It says round ending kill cam connection interrupted. They're trying to boot me right now. I'm just gonna go ahead and keep it here. 3-2. Round ending kill cam like it says right there. If I go to friends list, still says connection interrupted. I'm on a 1 bar right now. They're trying to boot me. As you see, I'm still on a red bar, and now it just stopped. Now I'm back on a red bar. It says connection interrupted. Recording this the entire time. Back on a 4 bar, back on a red bar. Still recording. It says connection interrupted. Everything was completely fine, and until then, they're trying to boot me right now. It says error, lost connection to host. It says playing search and destroy on raid. If I try to join back, an error has occurred. You have been signed out of PSN. Your profile was signed out. They obviously booted me offline. Let me go ahead and try to sign back in. Sign in. Trying to sign back in. It let me sign back in. You have received a message. There's a game invite right there from Medicinal. Obviously there's the kids that booted me. And that is all.